Welcome to this brand new house in Battaramulla. Let me take you to this amazing property. As you walk in, you enter to this beautifully designed living and dining space. This house also comes with a wet and dry kitchen. We have the TV lounge over here. Here's another entertainment lounge over here. This is the master bedroom with the attached bathroom. Here's the rooftop area of this house. Property details are in the below description, and for more information contact 73 Avenue Realtors, and I look forward to host you.